Yes.
美味しいです。
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. 美味しい。本当に美味しい。It's my pleasure to welcome my guest cooking students from Europe, Austria, and Argentina. Could you introduce yourself briefly?
My name is Leo from Argentina.
Hi, my name is Steph from Austria. We are happy to be here cooking. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. So we are now cooking this dish. We already made the miso and the side dish here with the green beans, but I just forgot to fill it. Never mind. Braised pumpkin. Braised pumpkin with the Wagyu beef, minced beef. It's a very easy to make Japanese home cooking. So when you go home, you can do it at home. Boiling edamame. The taste of early summer. Yeah, it's not, it's a bit loose. Thank you. Green beans with ground sesame seeds and miso. Mirin. That's it. This is the edamame. New season edamame. And just before we eat, we pour this oil over. That's nice.
Nice.
Hey, please,
To try it? Yes.
face inside.
Very pretty.
Right? Salt. Edamame done. Good. Wow.
Very good fish.
Why not?
Okay.
Why not? Why not?
We fixed this one.
Yeah.
It's the first time I eat raw fish.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah?
The burner.
Super
Really.
yummy. This one is super yummy.
But here you can see the oil there.
Yeah.
A little bit of oil.
You put a little bit of this, right?
So this is the that's better
Balance.
because the belly part is a little bit oily here, but the bottom one not so. So much nicer. The garlic oil.
Garlic oil.
Yeah, we'll make garlic oil as we cook the chicken. Rice I've already cooked. It's in the rice cooker. And the soy sauce you need to have that ready. Yakinegi. Browning green onion. So this is, I'm just glazing the chicken skin. Koyaki barbecue sauce. Koyaki barbecue sauce. 1 part soy sauce, 1 part mirin, and 1 part soy sauce. Glaze it. Nicer. Right. Like that. Koyaki. some more chicken. Yes, why not? Mom and I will share. Lots of green onions. Lots of green onions. And sauce. Let's eat. Okay, thank you everyone. You did well. So, sake from Hida, Takayama. Sake.
Sake.
Nice sake.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers everyone. Thanks for watching us.
Provencio.
Good drop.
So battery driver.
Yeah, that's horrible. Yummy.
No, I will have my revenge.
Yeah.
You can drink when you get there.
Exactly. That's awesome.
Okay.
Enjoy. Thank you very much.
Enjoy. Thank you. Tataki, first time this year for me.
For me too.
With garlic. Beauty. Itadakimasu. Tataki Bonito.
How yummy.
Is it good?
So good.
Yes.
Oishi desu.
Absolutely. Yeah, oishi. 本当に美味しい. Yeah, lucky. As soon as I saw it today, I grabbed it.
Amazing.
Tataki Bonito, first time this year. You only get to enjoy this once a year. Actually, twice a year, Bonito, as I mentioned before. Beautiful, locally grown edamame. So to grow edamame, you don't need no fertilizer. Just boom, they grow. Is it good?
Oh,
It's good.
Oh, you like that one?
amazing.
Oh, Wagyu beef minced, raised with the pumpkin.
Super good.
So because I wanted to show you what you can do at home. This can be done, right? With these.
Right.
Everything.
So not just ramen, huh?
Not just ramen.
Not just ramen, you can cook something else.
I cannot choose something else. When
Yeah.
we go to it.
Yeah. That's a good starting, right?
Big raw fish eater, but this is amazing. Different story.
Yeah.
Hey, this is the very fresh one I found this morning at the fish manga. Yeah, they know how to do the fish properly. Tataki, katsuo no tataki in Japanese. Torched bonito. Bonita? Enjoy. Bonito.
Bonito pescado.
Nice camper.
And this you can change to a bed.
So maybe 3-4 people can sleep.
Yes.
2 people. No,
Yeah, two people. And
2 people. Nice van. Got the fridge.
the fridge, some kitchen stuff.
Wow. Thank you.